Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel again, and in this session we will see how we can install Numpy, Pandas and Matplotlib in Pycharm. If you haven't watched the previous videos of taking input and conditional statements, the links are in the description box below. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. So let's get started. First of all, we need to create a project in this way. Let us call it Python project 3 and click on create. Click on this window. It is going to take a few minutes. After creating the project successfully, Pycharm will display a window like this. Now we will have to click the terminal. In the terminal, to install Numpy, we have to write pip install Numpy. It will take a few seconds. We can see that it has successfully installed Numpy. Now to install Pandas, we have to write again pip install Pandas. Again it will take a few seconds. Let us wait. Yes, it has successfully installed Pandas. Now we will install Matplotlib. Again, pip install Matplotlib. We have to wait. Thus, in this way, we have installed Numpy, Pandas and Matplotlib. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you all.